So you're leaving, you got your mind made up. Please don't waste all my time. All my friends said that you were bad news, and I was hoping they weren't right. I don't wanna sound too desperate. Maybe it's 'cause of the wine. You know where to find me if you ever find yourself across the state line. Brightest mornings and darkest evenings, you are always on my mind. These haunted hallways that I'm left walking, would you have stayed if I asked twice? And I don't wanna sound too desperate. Maybe it's 'cause of the wine. You know where to find me if you ever find yourself across the state line. And I don't wanna sound too desperate. And maybe it's 'cause of the wine. But you know that it's never a question if you change your mind. You know where to find me if you ever find yourself. If you ever find yourself, you know where to find me across the state line. What makes the world stop turning? Is it the touch of your skin? I couldn't be further from you, but you're still right here. I caught a plane to Portland for a few days' work. My heart stays heavy on you, and you're on my shirt. All the in-between keeps us on our feet through the dead and day and the dreams. We'll find our ordinary, the hope we carry. Some days feels like a burden, but this blood inside our veins was paid for with purpose. There's a ghost in these bones and it's willing my soul. I feel it like a fire to let my love pour over you, darling. It's my one desire. All the us on our feet through the dead and day and the dreams. We'll find our ordinary.
Well, we got the hinges on, got the gas struts on, got the handles on. You know, it is getting there. I wish I could do more, but you know, I know it gets aggravating when there's not a whole lot done in each video, but I'm putting out a video, you know, 3 times a week, and you know, I'm coming out here tonight, getting as much done as I can, and then I'm going to edit this tonight, and you'll see it tomorrow. It's Tuesday night right now. My plan is to have this published on Wednesday, and then Wednesday night or Thursday night, I will work and hopefully have that published on Friday. So hopefully in the next video, we'll get the sliding tool tray done, and then we'll be ready for finish. I'm not going to go ahead and do the dividers down on the bottom. I want to live with it for just a little while to see what I'm going to like. I may not even do dividers in the bottom. Once I kind of put stuff down in there, I start thinking I might not need dividers. So we'll see. But like I said, we'll try to do the sliding tool tray on the top next, and then it'll just be a matter of putting some finish on. And then I also have to figure out some handles and hardware on the front. I just can't figure out what I want to do yet. I thought about making some little walnut handholds about 4 or 5 inches long, just enough to get my fingers up under. I don't necessarily need a latch. You know, I was kind of wanting a latch, but it's not necessary. Just something to be able to grab the lid so it'll lift up. Now there has been some mention in the comments about the logo I put on top of here, about possibly making some merchandise with the logo on it. And I would love to do that, shirts and hats. A big problem I have is I don't know what shirts and hats are good quality and what aren't. If anybody here that's watching this has any experience with shirts and hats, ordering them, I know, I can't think of the real popular one that I see all the time that does drop shipping, but I've heard so many bad stories about how poor quality the shirts are. And to be honest with you, if they're not going to be good quality, I don't want to even send them out. I'm a big fan of good quality stuff, and so yeah, I don't want to have my logo on something that is, you know, a piece of crap. So if you like these kind of videos, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like these kind of videos, hit the thumbs down. Either way, leave me a comment telling me why. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you. Click that subscribe button. If you'd like to get notified every time I put out a new video, hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.